you're cooking for Thanksgiving this year, you want to check out this tip. Come on, let me show you. For this tip, I'm going to hop out to Instagram and I'm going to search for a Thanksgiving recipe. I get questions all the time about saving recipes. I'm going to choose one of these images and just tap on it. And then once I find the one I want and I tap on it, I'm going to take a screenshot. Remember, you can take a screenshot by pressing your volume up button and your side button at the same time. Now I'm going to crop mine. You don't have to. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it to my photos. Now I'm going to hop out of Instagram and go into my photos and pull up this picture. Do you see that eye at the bottom? I'm going to tap on that information. Do you see at the top where it says, look up food? I'm going to tap that. Look at this. It pulls up websites with the recipe to that specific food. Let me show you a different way. This time I'm going to go into Pinterest and I'm just going to go ahead and find an image of a food. Let's pick this taco rice soup. Now I'm going to take a screenshot again. And this time I'm just going to go into my images and pull it up, hit the I button and click look up food. Oh my gosh. More links to the recipe. I'm just going to choose one. It takes me right there. Did you know your photos could do this? Don't forget to like and follow for more tips and tricks from Tech Girl.